Welcome to the manual. If you're new here, my name is Dan Gall, and that means you have not watched our review of Major Fitness's all-in-one home gym system B52. Go watch that. But today we have something super exciting for you, which is Major Fitness's 2-in-1 Cobra AH1 leg press and hack squat machine. We are gonna unbox it, we're gonna assemble it, and then we're gonna put it through its paces to see if it lives up to its promises of an amazing lower body workout. So come with me and let's get started. So the Cobra AH1 came in only 3 boxes, unlike the B52, which came in a ton of boxes. However, they are still heavy, just like the B52. I would highly recommend not just moving these boxes with more than one person, but also assembly. So as we laid out the parts and made sure everything was there were no issues with missing parts, nothing was damaged, and the instructions are pretty easy to follow. I would highly recommend you also have the video handy, because there were some instructions in the handbook that were a little hard to understand what they were doing, but in the video it was very clear and made it much easier to keep going. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button, sign up for notification, and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate your support. Now that we have the Cobra AH1 assembled, I will explain the 2 main features of this machine. So first off is the leg press. And I have that position right now. You have the plate here and you have a backrest here. I will say one of the more difficult things is it's a little bit difficult to put this padding on, but I think you get used to it after a little while. It's just getting these like screw guides into the holes of the plate. That time I did it pretty quick, but prior to recording, it would take me like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Sometimes I would have to look behind it for the holes. Not a big deal. I think once you get used to using the machine, you won't have any problems with this. In terms of this leg press plate, it is adjustable. You have 5 different positions you can put it in, and it's very simple. There's just a spring-loaded pin here. You pull it out and you move it to whatever position you want, release the pin, and you're good to go. We are now on to the second major feature of the AH1, and that is the hack squat position, which is what we have set up in this position right here. So what makes it the hack squat position? First off, we move this padding from where it was down on the bottom when we were doing the leg press up to this top. We have moved this plate all the way forward, and we can now adjust this plate down here to whatever position you want to feel comfortable with your feet. Some of the cool things here too is you have these grips here for your over the shoulder to provide some stability, and then you have padding here for your shoulders as well. It feels good. They're pretty spongy, pretty firm, work well. Safety is a major concern when you're using machines like this, and the H1 doesn't disappoint. It comes with these safety bars here that have different stops, and I'll show you how that works. So basically, lift the machine up, push the stops out, and you're good to go. You can do whatever number of reps you want to do. I'm going to do 2, and then when you're done, you just pull these back up, and they're in a conveniently located position that are easy to grab from this position. From an accessories standpoint, we just don't know yet. The AH1 has not been released yet and will be soon though. And once it's released, I'm sure they'll come out with some additional accessories. What I'm hoping for that they do not have right now are any bands for this machine, which does support them, or the B52. Instead, I gotta look for bands on another retailer site. And what you want for these are long bands. And a lot of times the bands you find are just regular exercise bands that aren't long enough to support the tension and the stretch to even just get them across the band bars. Now that we have unboxed Major Fitness's Cobra AH1 2-in-1 leg press and hack squat machine, and we've assembled it and we've put it through its paces, what are my final thoughts? And I'll tell you what, it is just like their B52 all-in-one home gym system. and that is the build quality is commendable. It feels durable, just like the B52. I love the fact that it has wheels on this and handles so that you can move this around if you need to. That makes it super convenient. The other thing is price. Go check it out on their website. It's early bird pricing right now. And for the price of this machine, you get something high quality, easy to use, and fits into my home gym really well. For access, I feel like normally you would have to go pay a gym membership or pay a much higher price for a premium piece of equipment that is normally sold to those professional gyms. You can get this for your home gym, and I love that. So go check it out. I recommend it. And hopefully soon they're coming out with those accessories. When they do, we will do another video review on those, along with any accessories that we end up getting for the B52. So look out for those. See you soon. Have an amazing day.